In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Slack. Slack is an essential tool for business communication and team collaboration, and knowing how to log in smoothly is vital for seamless interaction with your colleagues. Let's start our journey by opening up your web browser and heading over to slack.com or sign in. Once you're on the Slack sign-in page, you'll be greeted by a few options that cater to different preferences and scenarios. Now, if you're planning to sign in with your email, simply enter your email address in the designated field. This is the most straightforward method for many users. Once you've typed in your email, go ahead and click on the Sign In with Email button. It's user-friendly and transparent, guiding you effortlessly to the next step. However, there might be some among you whose workspaces support other sign-in options. If this is the case for you, you might notice options like Continue with Google or Continue with Apple. These can be really convenient if you prefer not to enter your email manually. Just make sure that your workspace actually supports these sign-in methods, as this can vary depending on your organization's setup. After you take these steps, there's a possibility that you might receive a code via email. This step is an added security measure to ensure that your account remains protected and only accessible by you. Be sure to check your inbox promptly, and if the email doesn't appear right away, double-check your spam or junk folder. Once you've got that code, enter it into the field provided, and you'll be on your way to accessing Slack. Alternatively, if your workspace uses something called Single Sign-On, or SSO, you might notice that you're redirected to your company's specific login page. This is perfectly normal. SSO is a convenient way for organizations to manage access across multiple platforms using a single set of credentials. Just follow the login instructions there, and you'll be set. Once you've successfully navigated through the sign-in process, you might find that you're presented with options to select a workspace if you belong to multiple. This feature is particularly useful for managing different teams or projects within Slack. Simply select the workspace you're aiming to work with at that moment. This flexibility helps keep everything organized and easily accessible. And there you have it. You're now signed in and ready to engage with your team, explore channels, and dive into your discussions. Keep these steps in mind for the future to ensure that your access to Slack remains as smooth and efficient as possible. I hope this guide has been helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or further assistance. Enjoy your Slack experience.